Binod Chaudhary was born in Kathmandu to Lankaran as Chaudhary and Gangadhar Chaudhary at 1955 April 14th. His grandfather owned a small textile business back then which his father carved to the first department arcade in Nepal. This provided arcade for ladies, gents and electronic items and was first of its kind in Nepal. Later his father had his hands on a construction company which was responsible for the construction of Janakpur cigarette factory, Kathmandu Trishali Road and first phase of the famous Salti Hotel. Binod Chaudhary was 18 when his father got ill and Binod Chaudhary had to pause on his studies and looked after his father's business which started his journey as a billionaire. Binod Chaudhary has 3 sons. Binod Chaudhary is the first and the sole billionaire to be listed in Forbes from Nepal in 2014 and has been included regularly in the updated list since then in 2015 and 2016 respectively. He ranked 1415 in 2015 and 1577 in 2016. His total net worth in the year 2016 is $1.17 billion and majority of the income comes from his business that includes in the Chaudhary Group.
20 countries who built and were running over 96.
Binod Chaudhary is the first and the only Forbes listed billionaire from Nepal. He was first listed as the billionaire in Forbes in 2014 and is in the list since then. His rank improved in 2015 while it dropped again in 2016 update at a net worth value of $1.14 billion United States dollar. It is believed that Binod Chaudhary did not fund his son Nirvana Chaudhary while he was in London for his higher studies. Despite being a son to a billionaire dad, Binod is believed to not fund his son in order to realize the struggle and learn a life. It was nothing about their relationship which remains cool and calm, but Nirvana worked himself in London to fund his studies. Later on his blog, Nirvana has mentioned his struggle in London where he did not eat for some time. Nirvana worked as a waiter in a Nepalese restaurant while studying in United Kingdom. Nirvana also planned to start his own business, however he was denied for capital investment. Chaudhary was also the member of Nepal's parliament from 2008 to 2012. He entered the parliament as an independent of any political party. He was also considered to be close to monarchy back when Nepal was ruled by the king. He also became the youngest president of Federation of Nepalese Chambers of Commerce and Industry aged 35.